Imagine staring at lavish business ads on your laptop. You see fancy restaurants, towering offices, and expensive equipment. A voice prompts, "Is all this necessary?" Suddenly, the scene transforms. A person starts a small service from their bedroom with a laptop. Customers reach out. Invoices are created. The business grows. Large text flashes. Do you really need a lot of money to start a business? Many believe starting a business costs a fortune. They picture big shops, fleets of employees, and expensive gear. However, the truth may surprise you. Low investment businesses can begin with a skill, a smartphone, and the ability to solve a problem. But remember, low investment doesn't mean easy success. You need customers, skills, consistency, and a clear business model. Today, let's explore 9 low investment business ideas that can start small and grow big. Visualize an equation. Low startup cost plus real demand plus useful skill equals business opportunity. See 2 entrepreneurs. One overspending before gaining customers, the other finding customers first, gradually investing. Before we list ideas, remember this core principle. Low investment businesses usually begin by identifying problems, not by spending money. Service businesses are attractive for beginners. You can offer your abilities without hefty inventory costs. First up is video editing. Visualize a young editor crafting engaging video content. Businesses need editing, but many lack time. Specialize, such as editing podcasts into dynamic clips. Next, consider social media management. A local business struggles to keep up. A manager steps in, crafting content plans, engaging customers, and boosting online presence. Focus on a niche for faster growth. Third is AI automation services. Picture an entrepreneur optimizing workflows. Help businesses save time on repetitive tasks like scheduling, messaging, or lead collection. Focus on solutions, not just trendy tools. Then, freelance design and branding. Visualize a designer creating logos and brand assets. Brands need clear visuals, so offer a unique understanding of their market, not just pretty designs. Fifth is online tutoring. Show a tutor guiding students through various subjects online. Specialize to stand out. Offering tailored lessons increases demand. Next, digital products. Imagine a creator developing valuable templates. Instead of just selling time, sell solutions to common struggles. Then comes local services. Picture an entrepreneur providing cleaning or lawn care. These are tangible needs where customer trust is essential. Eighth is niche e-commerce. Focus on specific customer needs instead of a vast inventory. Understand your audience before committing to products. Finally, consulting. If you have expertise, provide valuable insights to businesses. Results matter, so ensure you understand your clients' problems. How do you choose the right business? Ask yourself 4 questions. What are you good at? What do people need? What can you start cheaply? How will you find your first customer? Planning matters. Here's a simple layout. Week 1. Choose a problem to solve. Week 2. Build your offer. Week 3. Test with real customers. Week 4. Begin selling. Don't spend ages crafting the perfect idea. Start small, gather feedback, improve, and reinvest wisely. You don't need millions to start a business. You need a valuable solution, a willing customer, and dedication. Each step counts. What business idea excites you? Share in the comments. Subscribe to Finance Flow for more tips on money and business. Finance Flow: learn, build, grow.